Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to disable driver signature enforcement on your Windows 7 computer. So this should be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And what we're going to do is first take note of what we're going to do before we actually begin the process. As our computer is going to be restarting, we're going to restart our computer. You want to tap the F8 key before Windows boots up repeatedly. So just keep tapping the F8 key as your computer is booting up. So I'm going to restart my computer here. And then keep in mind, as your computer is restarting, you want to be tapping on the F8 key on your keyboard. Again, you want to be tapping on the F8 key as your computer is restarting. It's very important you do that. Okay, so as our computer started up and we hit the F8 key, we have launched the advanced boot options for Windows 7. So you want to scroll down using your up and down arrow keys, specifically your down arrow key in this case, until you get to disable driver signature enforcement. And then once you're hovering over that, it should say underneath description, allow drivers containing improper signatures to be loaded. You want to hit enter, and basically that will disable driver signature enforcement on your computer. So pretty straightforward, guys, and just let your computer boot back up normally. Everything should be fine. And I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.